Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I can't believe it's Friday again, and it's that time of the week where we dollar cost average into the crypto market, and I think there is some juicy prices right now, in my humble opinion. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but let's get straight into it. Let's go. So yeah, I should probably set up my desktop correctly, right? We want to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is down 2.13% at the time of recording in the last 24 hours and sits at $3.76 trillion. Who told you that it was going to look like a market of red, a sea of red? Who told you that for the last few months? Well, I think that was me. The fear and greed index is down at 32 out of, I guess, 100, and then we're altcoin season at 72 out of 100. For me, this is the final shakeout before what I believe is going to be the biggest bull run in crypto history. Obviously, take what I say with a pinch of salt. It's just opinion based. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in crypto is super risky. You do risk losing all of your money. Nothing's guaranteed in crypto life in general, right? So yeah, do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, because you do risk losing it all. So Bitcoin 109,613.93, down 1.98% at the time of recording. Cardano down 2.26% at 77 cent 56. But we really want to have a look at the portfolio, right? We're down 3.58% in the past 24 hours, but if we go to all, we are down 1.84%. Our portfolio is at 4,974.16. Again, to be expected, we've been calling this out, so not too concerned whatsoever. If we go to the analytics for the portfolio here, we can just get rid of this warning sign. We know it's read only. We've got a pretty good mix and rate, like I say, ratings, percentage of what we hold on our portfolios here, right? So 4, 5, 7, 8% roughly on average. We probably want to improve our holdings in ALGO ever so slightly, Injective, APT, and I'm actually going to add a bit more World Mobile to the portfolio as well, because I do think that this one is going to pop and do even better. But we'll dig into all that wonderful stuff. Let's get to the markets. Let's actually have a look at the last 7 days. What I've been forecasting was somewhere between 15 and 25% pullback after the Fed interest rate cut of 25 basis points. And we can already see 31.77, 29%, 28, 25%. So I kind of feel like, I mean, Hyperliquid, for example, down 25.28%. They're not all just like meme coins, right? There's some really good projects in here, down 20%. So I think the forecasting's been, impeccable. We're going to go to add some crypto to our portfolio now. So we're going to start with ALGO. What we'll do is we'll look to add perhaps $20 of ALGO to the portfolio. We'll start there. So what we got, market, we want to go on market. We want to buy about $20 worth. Let's just do that, just over. We'll buy ALGO. Again, I think ALGO is going to do really, really well. The next one, we want to see, do they have World Mobile Token? I don't think they have. We're not going to be able to buy World Mobile Token on here. We'll have a look at another. We'll do that perhaps next week. What did I say? We wanted to purchase ALGO, a little bit of APT, didn't I? So, this is really about just trying to even out our portfolio. Let's just add $20 of that for now. And then the other one was Injective, wasn't it? INJ. And let's add $20 of that as well. And then let's see if there's something else that we could add to our portfolio. I really want to add some World Mobile, to be honest. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest onto World Mobile. So let's do that as well, right? Let's get that done. Before we do, let's go to our order history. We bought 1.7 Injective. Let's get that added to the portfolio, and then we'll head on over to a different exchange. INJ, click 1.7. Let's save that to the portfolio. Let's go to the analytics and see. Yeah, that puts us at the 5% for that. That's epic then. Let's add the next one, which was APT, which is Aptos. And we bought 5.2 Aptos. 5.2. Let's save that. And then finally, we bought ALGO. So we bought 100.68. Let's get that added, save. And if we have a look at the portfolio, so ALGO's still just ever so slightly out. Everything else is in. So we'll probably look to add some more ALGO to the portfolio, perhaps next week. And we want to still add some World Mobile tokens. So let's get that done as well. So I just need to go to a different exchange. So let's move on over to, say, MEXC, for example. So here we are on MEXC. We're going to look to buy some World Mobile. We're just going to go to market. We're just going to buy what is remaining from our, what do you call it, our monthly, weekly spend. I can't get my words out. So we've bought some World Mobile tokens. If we go to our order history, we bought 187.6 World Mobile tokens. If we go back to our portfolio now, we'll just go back to the dashboard, go to add transactions, WMTX, click on World Mobile, and we bought 187.60, so about £31.57. So we're going to save that down. And there we have it. So if we go to the analytics of our portfolio now, we will see ALGO and World Mobile, very similar numbers. We probably want to just get those up into the 5% range, eat into that portfolio, make it as well-rounded as we possibly can. Ultimately, this is, you know, for a bit of fun, right? Putting a pretty strong portfolio together. And I do want to talk about this, right? The portfolio that we're putting together here, right? We've got Chainlink. Probably going to get a spot ETF, right? If altcoins are going to get spot ETFs, let's go through the ones that I believe are likely to get one, right? And I'm going to talk about what I think is inevitable, right? Chainlink, I think, will get one. AVAX will get one, in my opinion. Solana will get one, in my opinion. XRP will get one, in my opinion. SUI will get one. Ethereum's already got one. Ondo will get one. ADA will probably get one. You know, artificial superintelligence, like, let's just leave it out of that gap for the moment. XLM will probably get one. Aptos will probably get one. So yeah, we've got a really, you know, good catalyst for our portfolio to rocket. Not suggesting that it will, nothing's guaranteed. It's just my opinion, not financial advice. See whether what I say, you know, resonates with you or not. Go do your research and, you know, let me know in the comments. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I hope you enjoy watching this portfolio builder. This isn't like a get rich quick kind of video series. It's a come on the journey with me kind of series. Watch me build something beautiful and magical, or something that's going to crash and burn, right? Nobody really knows. Nobody has a crystal ball, but I've been in this, you know, market for such a long time, had so much success, and, you know, past success doesn't guarantee future success. But I wanted to put this together for pure transparency, right? We see lots of people, you know, that say they're great traders. They, you know, pull up in their rented Lamborghinis, and they're rented, right? It's all fake. It's make-believe. Can you walk the walk? Can you do what we're doing here? You know, log everything in your Discord. make it public so everybody can see whether you're full of absolute nonsense or whether you're actually legit. And that is what we're trying to demonstrate here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe, don't miss any future videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.